Ever wonder how laundry became a financial issue? Ever stared at a mountain of dirty clothes, defeat washing over you like a rogue wave of laundry detergent? You're not alone. Laundry, that never-ending cycle of dirty clothes, overflowing hampers, and the desperate scramble for clean socks right before a big presentation. But wait, there's more. Now, on top of the existential dread of unfolded laundry, there's the financial hurdle. Hold on, what? Funding your laundry account? Is this some dystopian future where detergent is traded like Bitcoin? Relax, it's not that bad. But let's face it, laundry services like Tide Cleaners can be a lifesaver, especially when you're drowning in dirty clothes. But how exactly do you fund that account to keep those crisp whites sparkling? This video will be your guide to navigating the world of Tide accounts, demystifying the funding process, and getting you back to focusing on what truly matters, conquering that ever-growing pile of laundry. Unveiling the Tide account, your laundry concierge. Imagine a world where you don't have to deal with laundry woes. A world where professional cleaners handle the dirty work, leaving you with perfectly folded clothes, ready to tackle the week. That's the magic of Tide Cleaners. They offer various laundry and dry cleaning services, from basic washes to delicate garment care. But here's the thing, these services don't run on good intentions alone. To use Tide Cleaners, you'll need to set up an account and pre-fund it, similar to a prepaid card. This funded account acts like your laundry concierge's wallet, allowing them to deduct the cost of cleaning each item. Funding options, filling up your laundry wallet. So, how do you fill up this magical laundry wallet? Here are your main options. Credit card, the most straightforward way. Simply link your credit card to your Tide account during the sign-up process. This allows for seamless and automatic funding whenever your account balance dips below a certain level. Debit card, similar to a credit card, you can link your debit card to your account for easy top-ups. Just remember, you'll need sufficient funds in your checking account to cover laundry expenses. Gift card, Tide offers gift cards, the perfect present for that friend who seems to be perpetually drowning in laundry. They can redeem the gift card value towards their Tide account balance. Promotional codes, keep an eye out for promotional codes offered by Tide or partner stores. These codes can be applied during account setup or used for top-ups, giving you some extra laundry mileage. Funding on the go, staying ahead of the laundry curve. Tide understands that life gets hectic. That's why they've made funding your account convenient and accessible. Here's how you can top up your laundry funds on the go. Tide app, download the Tide app and manage your account with ease. The app allows you to view your balance, track cleaning orders, and add funds directly using your linked payment method. Website, head over to the Tide Cleaners website and log into your account. You can then use your preferred payment method to top up your balance. In-store kiosks, select Tide Cleaners locations have kiosks where you can top up your account using cash or debit card. Funding tips and tricks, mastering your laundry budget. Now that you know how to fund your Tide account, here are some pro tips to help you manage your laundry budget. Set up automatic top-ups. Running low on laundry funds right before a big event can be stressful. Consider setting up automatic top-ups on your account. This ensures you never have to worry about a laundry service hiatus. Track your spending. Just like any other expense, keeping track of your laundry spending is key. The Tide app allows you to monitor your account balance and track your cleaning history. This can help you identify any spending patterns and adjust your budget accordingly. Plan your laundry needs. Not all laundry requires professional cleaning. Consider prioritizing delicate items or heavily soiled clothes for Tide Cleaners while tackling everyday laundry at home. This can help you stretch your laundry budget further. Wrapping up, conquering laundry with confidence. With Tide Cleaners and a funded account, you can say goodbye to laundry woes and hello to crisp, clean clothes. Remember, funding your account is a simple process with various options to suit your needs. Utilize the Tide app and website for convenient top-ups, and don't forget to leverage budget-friendly tips to maximize your laundry mileage. So, the next time you're staring down a laundry mountain, don't despair. With Tide cleaners and a funded account, you can reclaim your weekend and conquer laundry with confidence.